It is my distinct pleasure to introduce as our host for the next 2 days, Pat Young, who runs our public sector Tanzu business unit. I would also like to personally invite all of you to join us again in June for our Public Sector Innovation Summit, where we'll be gathering the most influential thought leadership across the customer base to share more about their technology journeys and the digital transformation. Pat, over to you.
Welcome. First VMware Tanzu Public Sector Connect, and thank you for committing to spend some time with us over the next 2 days. My name is Patrick Young, and I am responsible and accountable for Tanzu's public sector business. Software enables the world around us more and more every day, and enriches our personal experiences using modern technology and software. In the government and education vertical, we recognize the challenge to parlay that personal digital experience with the ability to improve the citizen, the soldier, the student, and operator software experience. So our goal over the next 2 sessions is to help connect you to the proven ideas of subject matter experts for an optimized, secure, and automated path to production on an enduring and constantly maturing platform. Our goal over the next 2 sessions is to connect you to clients who have partnered with us to create and sustain a culture of modern software development that enables developers to focus on writing code, not the underlying infrastructure. Our goal over the next 2 days is to connect you to a community of practitioners who are interested and committed to putting applications into production with no innovation theater and focused on delivering mission and business outcomes that truly matter. Our VMware Tanzu public sector team is ready to meet you where you are in your journey to modern software and application development, on the journey to a secure, automated, and enduring platform that will transform your mission, your service, and your support to your constituents. Thank you again for being with us today, and allow me to introduce you to Amanda O'Connor, our Director of Defense and Intelligence, who will guide you through our session today, and Chris Saunders, our Director of Technical Support for Public Sector, who will overview the agenda. Amanda and Chris, take it away.
Hey, thanks so much, Pat. So today we're going to cover app and DevSecOps transformation from VMware. And then we're going to go to one of our favorite customers, the Army Futures Command, and their road to cloud native. And then we're going to cover 3 steps to transformation and end the day with making enterprise Kubernetes valuable.